What's up, guys? So I just came back home and in 2 hours I'm hosting my first ever Diwali party in this house. I haven't prepared anything. I'm not dressed. I haven't decorated anything. I am gonna be changing into some random clothes now and we're gonna be starting to decorate our house. Okay, so I'm planning to make this whole area like the eating section, this whole area the sitting section. What we're gonna do is ये सारे सोफा हम करने वाले हैं अंदर and गद्दे रखने वाले हैं बाहर. Now let's just start executing it. Voice over Advika, please take over. Please explain everything. Okay, so we started with placing everything that we don't need inside these spare rooms. तो ये air purifier, shoe rack, plants ये सब हमने अंदर रखा. यहाँ पे मुझे एक डस्टबिन और एक टेबल रखना है where people will come to take food. Around 10 to 12 लोग आ रहे हैं and सोफा पे तो इतने लोग नहीं आ पाएंगे तो हमने सोफा को अंदर रखा और इसकी जगह गद्दे बिछाना डिसाइड किया. गद्दे बिछाकर उनके ऊपर बेडशीट लगाई and also placed these cushions on it. इसके बाद I just cleaned the place properly once. झाड़ू लगाया, mopping भी करी. So I ordered a lot of stuff from Blinkit for decoration. Let me give you a haul. First, I got a lot of disposables. I got as many disposables as I can because there is no point of me actually using real dishes and then washing them. Like, I'm not ready for it. Ordered Kaju Katli OG Diwali sweet. And then we have Lay's, nachos. We got some dry samosas. I got a lot of flowers. These are fake flowers because the real ones were really expensive. We have some real flowers too. I thought to like do some decoration with it. Some more snacks, napkins. We have some lights, some more snacks. We have a lot of coke. I think मैंने गलती से इतना कर दिया. Like I was planning to do 2 bottles, but now we have 4 bottles. And I also got my favorite thing, cranberry juice and some more disposables. And that is it for the haul. Okay, so now back to decoration. I really wanted the snack table to be kind of a Diwali themed charcuterie board, something like this. So I laid down this wooden chopping board and started with some Indian snacks like Kaju Katli, samosa, and then also added some chips on it. I also added a bowl filled with flowers and a candle in between, which looks so pretty at night. Okay, so now I have an hour before the guests start arriving, and this is literally how my hair looks. It's not giving festive, it's giving dull and boring. But to our rescue, we have the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Gloss range. This range is infused with glycolic acid complex, which adds extra shine and gloss to your hair. I'm super excited to try this, so let's go take a shower now. Okay, so I'm starting with the extra gloss shampoo. It gently exfoliates, removes dullness, and activates 3 times gloss. Step 2 is shine sealing conditioner, which smoothens hair fiber and seals the gloss. Now, while the conditioner sets, I'm gonna be using the Ultra Gloss Acidifier. This is the hero step, as it locks shine up to 6 washes. So basically, you're getting the glossiest hair for up to 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm out from the shower and yes, I'm getting super late because my friends have started coming. I am gonna be adding this serum. It's the L'Oreal Paris Gloss Extension Serum. It has a lightweight texture and lasts up to 72 hours. Stop. This is literally the glossiest my hair has ever been. I mean, it's literally an at-home glossing service which also restores your hair quality. What more could a girl want? You guys need to try this out. I'll be linking these products in the description, so do check them out. Okay, now I'm quickly gonna get ready and I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Guests started coming, and by guests I mean my college friends. This is Ishita and we decided कि जब तक बाकी लोग आते हैं we'll just make a फूलों की small rangoli. I mean, it's very minimalistic and low effort, but it really turned out better than what we expected. Then we used the flowers and the candles that were left for this snack table. और फिर मैंने देखा हम यहाँ घर सजा रहे हैं और लड़के सिर्फ बैठे हुए हैं. सारे लड़के बस चिल कर रहे होंगे और लड़कियाँ काम कर रही होगी. Literally वही हो रहा है. तो इसके बाद Sukrit started mopping the floor and Akshat ने stairs पे दिए लगा दिए, which made the entrance so pretty and festive. Hi guys, welcome to my Diwali party. Honestly, this night was a 10 on 10. It couldn't have been better. It was so nice to be having these long conversations with your friends. Literally didn't realize where time went. We played card games, we played mind games. बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया. This night was definitely a core memory. I'm right now in the busiest duty place, that is the CLR Central Labor Room, and tomorrow I have a flight at 7 p.m. So I have my night duty right now. My initial plan was to go home and take an early morning flight, but somehow that didn't work out. But anyways, the update is that I am doing a night duty and I can't wait to go home. Like, I'm just waiting. After this, Advika, the next night you'll be sleeping at your home. Okay, जल्दी से sampling करनी है. Let's go.
12 hours later.
8 a.m. and I just left hospital and I feel so good that I'm going, but I still have to pack and there's a lot of work that I have to do. First thing that I'm gonna do is crash into my bed. Do not judge me. That's the first thing.
4 hours later.
I just woke up. So I decided to take a metro. I usually take a cab to the airport, but today I was like, let me take a metro. I might miss my flight today, and I know you think कि Advika, how do you always do this? Like, how is it possible कि हर बार तेरी flight miss होने वाली थी? Why don't you go on time? I wish I could be like, oh, this is just for content. I'm not actually stressed, but I'm genuinely so stressed right now. Guys, I just met Suhail. Schoolmate मिलकर हम दोनों late हैं. Let's go. 60. आगे 45 पे पहुंचे. Hi guys, we made it to the flight. My hands literally shake हो रहे at this point because I have trauma now.
Starting story was Advika reached 20 minutes late. Okay, everything was fine, everything was sorted, and the main scene happens when we were doing security checking. Advika and I were keeping all our gadgets in one tray, and उसके बाद we decided कि हम bags दूसरी tray में डालेंगे. And I don't know उसमें क्या हुआ, कैसे.
I don't know, नहीं ये इतनी careless थी कि इसने अपना फोन उसी ट्रे में छोड़ दिया.
ट्रे में नहीं छोड़ा था, ट्रे के साथ नहीं.
पता नहीं इसने अपना फोन ट्रे से भी बाहर निकाल के वहीं छोड़ दिया. एंड जब सिक्योरिटी पूरा हो गया, वी आर लाइक फोन कहाँ गया. हम सोच रहे किसी ने फोन चोरी कर लिया. सीसीटीवी कैमरा सब, हम सब जा रहे हैं, सब गार्ड्स को पता है, सब गार्ड्स ढूंढ रहे हैं कि हुआ क्या है.
लाइक उधर जाओ इधर जाओ.
हाँ.
एंड
इस इंसान को, ये इंसान वहाँ गई भी थी, इसको बोला भी था कि गो एंड चेक इफ यू कैन फाइंड योर फोन, एंड शी स्टिल वेंट देयर एंड इसको उसका फोन नहीं दिखा. एक लेडी आई, शी वाज लाइक, डज योर फोन हैव लाइक दोस थिंग्स, लाइक शी वाज लाइक, या इट्स स्टिकर्स.
So pretty guys, look at my cover, so pretty that.
I can't.
How much did the shuttle ask for?
400 rupees. वो इतनी स्लो शटर ने हमसे 400 रुपये लिए. I don't know if that's legal. मतलब I guess so, I don't know. But he took 400 rupees. But anyways, हमने flight catch कर ली. That is all that matters. So. Good morning guys, happy Diwali. Welcome and happy Diwali guys. अभी सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं and I'm so sleep deprived because I slept at 4 AM last night. Anyways, अभी हमें सुबह mom dad ने उठा दिया because we're going to a मंदिर.
So we are on our way और सबसे पहले हम जा रहे हैं लक्ष्मी मंदिर क्योंकि of course it's दिवाली. मैं इस टेम्पल में पहली बार आई थी एंड ऑनेस्टली इनका डेकोरेशन बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी था. इनसाइड देयर वर सो मेनी फ्लावर्स. We also got these lotuses from inside और बाहर आकर हमने भी दिया जलाया. And guys, ये एक मैट नहीं है बट एक रंगोली है. Like दूर से पहले मुझे लग रहा था ये एक मैट है, बट जब मैंने पास से देखा and I saw it's a रंगोली, my mind was literally blown. Anyways, इसके बाद हम गए temple number 2.
So now we are at temple number 2. This is Annapurna Mandir and I used to come here a lot when I was a child. This was like very close to my previous house, so we used to come here a lot.
यहाँ की डेकोरेशन तो नेक्स्ट लेवल थी. I mean they decorated everything using money. I mean I'm sure this is fake money. Actually I'm not sure. इसी के बाहर एक गौशाला था and we could feed the cows here. Genuinely this was the highlight of my day. इसके बाद we went for some last minute shopping. सबसे पहले we went for some flower shopping because I'm planning to make a फूलों की रंगोली today. तो हमने कुछ flower shopping करी, उसके बाद दियास भी लिए. After this, we also went to buy some sweets and poha because of course we're in Indore. So after all the successful shopping and breakfast, I straight up went for a big nap, and after waking up, it was time to make the rangoli.
Okay, so it's finally time to make rangoli now. I'm gonna be making the rangoli right now. I'm gonna make it using flowers. have for dinner. Let's go.
And that is it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for joining with me through this Diwali. I hope you and your family also had a safe and a very happy and prosperous Diwali. If you watched it here, then comment Foolchhadi so that I know that you're a real one. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep dreaming, keep smiling, and keep achieving.